Hi.
Hi, Mara.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Chan. Can you see me?
Okay.
Okay, that's good. How are you, Mrs. Chan?
Oh, today is good.
Today's good?
Okay.
Oh, really? Why do you feel so good today?
Ah, today is all of our family
Uh-huh.
is here now.
What is it?
Um, my family,
Mhm.
all of our family.
Ah, you have a family
Uh,
gathering.
okay, is here now.
Get family gathering.
Gathering.
Yeah. Can you see the chat?
Uh, Family gathering.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you're having a family gathering.
Okay. Gathering is what's
Like
mean?
gathering like something. Okay, wait, let me just share my screen. Achen ka
Okay.
man.
Hmm.
Let family gathering.
Gathering.
Like this. Gathering.
No, no, no. No. Gathering, no.
What is it? Ah, your family is complete.
Uh, uh, again,
Your family is complete?
complete.
Complete.
Complete. Complete.
Yeah.
Complete is finish. Finish. Complete is mean finish.
No.
No.
Like full.
Okay. Okay. Complete.
This one.
Hmm.
Complete.
Ah. Ah. Um. My work is complete. Is mean.
It can be complete like finish or
Okay.
complete like full.
To mean.
Two meaning like
Ah,
my work is complete means
okay,
finish,
okay.
and the other one complete means like you are there together.
Our there our there
Yeah,
family
together. Yeah.
together. Okay. Um,
Oh,
my
hi.
daughter.
Oh, hi.
My Mara teaching. Mara, hi Mara. Hi, 뭐라고? Mara.
Yeah, hi.
My daughter.
She's beautiful. She looks like you.
Oh, thank you. She's she's shiny.
Oh yeah, she looks like you, Mrs. Chen.
Cute. Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye
you're welcome.
bye.
Bye. Have a good night.
Thank you. You
Oh yeah, she looks like you, Mrs. Chen.
too. Okay.
She looks like you. The
Um.
same. Like you look the same.
Ah. You look safe.
Yeah, your daughter and
Ah.
you look the same.
Ah. Ah. Um. I and my daughter same.
Yeah, you look the
Ah.
same.
I'm so happy.
You're so happy. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So your family is complete now.
Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Hmm.
Did you eat dinner together?
Uh, uh, finish to 공부. Finish it this time after our dinner.
After our class, you will eat dinner.
Okay, after our class,
Class, we will eat
uh,
dinner.
will be eat dinner.
Yeah, okay.
Ah, okay. Uh,
After our class, okay, I will send you a message. Our
After
class.
our Press and
That in the chat.
and where is okay dinner.
That's good. Are you going out?
Okay. Out? No, no, no. This
Ah,
home.
at home.
Or at home.
Oh, well, after our class, I will cook dinner.
Okay. Mm,
Yeah. What about
mm.
you? What did you cook dinner? Did you
Ah,
finish cooking
ah.
dinner?
Uh, um, what's menu?
Yeah. What's the
Ah,
menu?
menu. Um, dinner is kimchi 볶음밥.
Kimchi bokkeumbap,
Okay.
fried rice,
Okay, okay.
fried kimchi,
어,
right? Like fried rice kimchi. Yeah,
볶음.
bokkeumbap.
볶음? 볶음밥. 김치
Yeah,
볶음밥.
like fried rice kimchi.
Rice, fried,
Fried
김치?
rice. Yeah, fried rice kimchi.
Fried
Fried,
rice,
yeah, kimchi.
fried rice, 김치?
Yeah, fried rice
음.
kimchi. Kimchi bokkeumbap.
아, Korea is fried, egg fried.
Egg fried.
Okay. Fried rice, 김치.
Yeah,
김치볶음밥, fried rice, 김치.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's good.
음.
What else?
What else?
Yeah. What else
Else?
for dinner?
Ah, what mean else?
Another food for
Another?
dinner. Yeah.
Ah, else they mean
Another.
another.
Yeah. What
Ah,
else?
김치볶음밥 and 김치볶음밥 and 곰탕. You know 곰탕?
I don't know kumpiang.
곰탕.
I don't know that. Is it
아,
a vegetable?
um, no. 곰탕 is 음, actually, 음,
Okay.
아, 곰탕 is cowbone.
What is
cowbone.
it?
곰탕 is cowbone.
Carbon?
cow,
Cow
cowbone.
bone. Beef
Cowbone.
marrow.
Okay.
Beef.
Cowbone soup.
Mm, beef marrow.
Beef marrow.
Row.
Marrow.
Yeah,
곰탕.
because for cow that is beef.
Beef.
Yeah, cow, the
Okay.
meat is beef. For
Oh,
pig, it's pork.
okay, okay.
So chicken, chicken,
Okay, okay.
fish, fish.
Okay. Oh, pig.
Be-
Okay, okay.
Like beef, bone
Um,
marrow.
marrow.
Yeah.
Marrow. Oh, beef bone. Okay, okay, bye. Okay. Beef bone marrow. Okay. 곰탕?
Ah, so yeah, so cow is the animal,
Huh?
beef is the meat.
Okay, okay. Ah, I understand. Okay. 곰탕 is beef bone marrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, our dinner is menu, 김치볶음밥 and beef bone marrow.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. I hope you will enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. I'm hungry right now, so after our class I will cook dinner.
Oh, oh, you, are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry, so I will cook dinner after our class. I will cook chicken.
Ah, you, your lunch menu?
Um, it's Filipino food. We call a chicken adobo.
Hmm?
So it's fertilized marinated chicken. Marinated chicken.
Mari, marinate chicken?
Yeah.
Marinated chicken?
Yeah, wait. I will
Mm.
translate marinated.
Mm. Philippines famous menu?
Yeah, in the
Ah,
Philippines.
ah, ah. Only chicken?
Yeah, only chicken.
Okay, your lunch.
My dinner.
Ah, dinner.
Yeah, I will cook
Ah,
after our class.
ah. No, another menu, no?
No, just that for dinner.
Ah.
Yeah. Who cooked for dinner, Mrs. Chan?
Hmm?
Who cooked for dinner?
Do no? No?
Who cooked for dinner?
Ah, who cook?
Yeah.
Who cook?
Yeah, who
Me,
cooked?
me.
Ah, you cooked dinner.
Okay, me.
Ah, that's so good.
Only me.
Only you.
Ah.
Was it hard?
No, I'm
No.
sorry. I um I'm cook. Uh, I'm cook. I'm so happy because my family is uh dinner is they are delicious.
Ah, you can say
Mm.
I'm you can say wait, I'm happy I cook for my family.
Okay. Ah, you very smart. You 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 very smart.
Thank
Ah,
you, Mrs. Chen. Yeah, I'm happy when I cook for my family.
mm, I will cook my family. Okay. Mm,
Yeah, I do the same thing. I
mm.
feel happy when I cook for my family too.
Ah, I feel
Yeah, I
family.
feel happy.
I will happy.
Yeah, oh yeah,
Mm,
I'm happy too. I
I'm
don't
happy.
have
Okay.
mom.
Mm,
I don't have my mom, so I cook for my
mm,
family sometimes.
your mom.
Yeah, I don't have mom.
Oh, you don't have mom?
My mom passed away. She died when I was 17 years old.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Oh, sorry.
it's okay. So yeah,
Ah,
so that's why I cook for my family sometimes too.
mm,
Yeah, just me and my
ah,
siblings, my brother and my sister.
ah,
Yeah, just here
mm,
in my house.
ah, your father.
My father has another family. Yeah,
Ah,
so he has
ah,
a new family, so just me and my brother in my house.
ah. You, your house is now you and brother?
Yeah, my sister, my brother, and me. So we are three. Yeah.
Ah,
My other brother and my other sisters, they are
hmm?
working another country.
Another country.
Yeah, they are in the another
Oh,
country. So here
hmm?
now, it's just three of us.
Ah,
Yeah,
you and
me,
sister?
my sister, and my
Mm,
brother.
brother.
Yeah, so that's
Mm,
why.
mm.
Mm. Yeah, but it's okay, Quintana.
나 안 괜찮아.
Yeah, Quintana.
아,
Okay. So yeah, Mrs. Chen,
음?
what about your husband? Is your husband home now?
Okay,
He's home now?
okay.
Ah,
My husband is finish work
okay. So
today,
he,
today.
today.
Okay.
What's your plan this weekend, Mrs. Chen?
This weekend,
Mm-hmm.
um, I'm, uh, this weekend, I'm church, go to the, I will go to church.
You will go to the church
Okay,
on Sunday.
okay, Sunday,
What about on Saturday?
Saturday. Um, I will plan.
I don't have plans.
I don't have plan.
Yeah, okay, that's good. You don't
Okay?
have plans.
I don't have plan. Okay.
Yeah, okay, you don't have plans. But
Okay.
on Sunday, you will go to church.
Okay. Church.
I
Okay.
see. Okay,
Hmm.
that's good to know. Mrs. Chen, where were you last Tuesday?
Uh, where I use Tuesday?
Yeah, last Tuesday. Where were you
Mm.
last Tuesday?
Last Tuesday.
Yeah.
아, 어제.
Ah,
어제. 어제. Yesterday?
yesterday was Wednesday.
Wednesday. Tuesday.
잠깐만.
This?
Tuesday.
This?
Yeah, where were you?
음.
Okay, this one. Where were you last Tuesday?
아하. Sorry.
It's
Uh,
okay.
last Tuesday, um, I'm I'm go to the my work.
I went to my work.
I went to my work.
Uh-huh.
Um, uh, uh, our class time.
Ah,
Our class time is 회식을 뭐라고 하지? Team dinner.
it was team dinner.
Okay.
So Mrs. Chen, I will just I was
음?
is the past tense
음.
of is.
아,
So I was having dinner
I was having
with
dinner.
my teammates. This
With
one?
my, okay, okay, 맞아. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
I
So
was
what?
having dinner. Okay, 메모, 메모,
Okay, sure.
메모. I was having, having dinner with my teammate,
Mates.
teammate. 아, teammates. So, I forget.
It's okay. So you forgot the class.
Okay,
It's
sorry,
okay.
sorry.
It was okay, Mrs. Chan. Oh, Mrs. Chan, our lesson is over.
Ah,
Yeah, so we will meet next class. Okay?
okay, okay.
Okay. Have a good night and have a good dinner with family.
You too.
Thank you. Good night, Mrs. Chan. Bye.
Good night, Mara.
Good night.
Next time.
Bye.
Good